So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in %app data %sign. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the Adobe folder. Now, we're going to click on common. Now, in your case, you're going to be having way more folders than me, but you want to look for this one folder called media cache files. So now once you find media cache files, you're going to click on that. And then once you're on this, you're going to be having a bunch of your Adobe cache files and templates that you don't use. So you can delete everything in this folder. I've only got 2 things here, but you're going to have way more things than me. Just delete everything in this folder. So you're going to do Control A plus delete, which will now delete everything in this folder. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in disk cleanup. Click on it, and now this will come up. It might give you an option to select multiple drives. You want to go with your C drive, if the option comes up for that. Now once you're on this, you want to select everything here, and then click on OK. And then click on delete files. This should now fix your problem.